Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken gravy. I was just experimenting today and this turned out so good, so I thought to share this recipe with you all. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. I have 1 kilogram of chicken drumsticks. You can take chicken pieces of your choice. Here I'm just slashing the chicken so the flavors go deep into the chicken when I marinate it. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So here I'm done slashing all the chicken pieces. And now I'll marinate the chicken. I have here red chili powder, coriander powder, oil, ghee, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and some yogurt. I have taken a large bowl and mixed all these ingredients together before I added the chicken. I prefer to prepare the mixture before I add the chicken because this way I know that all the spices are well incorporated. So here I have added all the spices: yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, ghee, oil, ginger garlic paste and salt. And here I'm also adding some Kasuri methi. This gives a very nice aroma to the chicken. I made sure that everything is mixed well. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Now my marinated mixture is ready and I'm gonna add the chicken and mix it really well. After mixing everything, I set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have taken here some whole spices: black peppercorns, 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cloves, fenugreek seeds and some mustard seeds and dried red chillies. After my pan was well heated, I dry roasted all these spices for about 1 minute until it turned aromatic. I added red chillies at the end so it doesn't burn. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Trust me, it smelled so good. When the mustard seeds started to splutter, I added the red chillies. I kept stirring so nothing gets burnt and everything gets evenly roasted. When everything was roasted perfectly and it turned aromatic, I removed it from heat and let it cool down slightly before I pounded it. I used my mortar and pestle to pound these spices. You can also use your mixer grinder. I wanted to keep its texture a little bit, so I did not pound it to a fine powder. You can see in this video that I have coarsely pounded it. It took me about 4 to 5 minutes to pound everything together, but it was worth it. You can see the texture here. This is the kind of texture I wanted for these spices. Now for the cooking, I have diced onions. I heated some oil in my wok. You can also use ghee. And then I fried the onions until it was slightly golden brown. From which country are you watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, the onions have started to change its color, but I wanted it to be a little bit more golden brown. So this is the color I was looking for, and now I added my chicken and I sauteed it until the chicken changed its color. I made sure I used all the mixture of marination. Now I sauteed it really well until the chicken changed its color. Now that the chicken is sauteed well, I added the pounded spices and sauteed it again for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. I wasn't sure about adding tomatoes to this recipe, but I was looking for a little bit more red color, so I thought of adding some tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes puree. After mixing everything together, I covered and cooked it for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. I stirred once in between. Now I added some water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. If you want, you can add more water. After mixing everything, I covered and cooked it for about 25 to 30 minutes on medium to low heat. Meanwhile, I was also cooking bagare rice. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know how I make my bagare rice. Now I added some red and green bell peppers to add some bright colors to it. After mixing everything, I covered and cooked it for about 3 to 4 minutes to let the bell peppers soften a little bit. And now the chicken gravy was ready. It smelled so good and tasted so delicious. I'm definitely going to make this chicken recipe next time I'm hosting. It looked, smelled and tasted very delicious. You can serve this chicken gravy with rice or naan. I served it with rice. I hope you liked this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!